Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it?
Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing a 360 lace wig. This is actually a first on my channel. Stick around to get my full opinion and thoughts about this wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is April Lace Wigs. This is actually my first collaboration with them. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 360 lace frontal wig. This is in the deep wave texture, pre-plucked hairline, and 180% density.
Too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week, but now you moved on. And I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, feel it, I feel it, I feel it.
I've never installed a 360 lace wig before. This is what it looks like. Lace all around. I'm not going to be securing the back portion today. Just know that it's there, and if you want to secure it, you can. I'm going to go in with some ebon.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you, I know.
Does come with baby hairs already cut, so I'm just gonna find them. Spray, hold, and then mold. If you remember it in that order, you can always have flawless baby hairs. You're gonna push that hair kind of away.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way, I'm pulling
actually pretty. Now I didn't use the whole like technique of the 360. I just kind of secured it like a traditional wig, which you can do. Now if you do want to secure it like a traditional 360 lace, you can. So I just decided to just do a normal install for it and just kind of a flipped over. But the density is really nice. It looks very natural. It looks like this could be my hair, like when you just look at the texture. So that is really pretty. I did do some cuts along the sides, and I like that the wig did come somewhat pre-bleach. I could tell that they bleached the front of the hairline. If you're my complexion, I would say maybe see if you can get a lighter color lace. If you want to purchase it, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I gotta go. Bye.